Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will teach you about the du command in Linux or Unix system. Linux or Unix based system, so the short main page of du command says estimate file space usage. So the du command is used to display the file size in bytes by default. So in the current directory, we have some files from the previous tutorial. These are some directories and files that we created in the previous tutorial. So if I just type du here, as you can see, it shows 444 and 28. So what this mean? So now if I type tag h for human readable, as you can see now this is more readable for us. So this means that the hello directory has a size 4.0 k, which is kilobyte. Greetings is also 4.0 kilobyte. Hi there is also the same size, and the current directory, we know that points or period points to the current directory with the total size as 28k kilobytes. So now you can do that individually as well. So if I type du star, this will do the same thing, and they are displaying each file. If now let's add so that we can see it more human readable. So now as you can see the directory and then the file, so the file size in kilobytes. If this was larger than this, it will be showing that in megabytes and gigabytes and terabytes and so on. So now we have some other flags as well, just like star. We can use tag a as well to display all the directories and files in the current directory. As you can see, they displayed all the directories, including greetings.log and hello directory and files and directories. So and they are displaying the total. So even you can pass this to other commands as well. To, let's say I want this to pass to sort, so that it will be sorted in ascending order. Now you can see it is sorted. Now you can pass this to wc to find the number of lines, number of words and all those stuff. So these are that. Now if I type tag l, it will return the number of line, which is 7. If I type we have some other tag m, number of you can say words. So now that is a du command. For as always, for more information about du command, check out the main page of du command. So just type man and then du. It will show you all uh, the home page for that, and it has some other flags as well that you can pass this. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.